So we're going to look at reverse bay parking. We're going to practice it on the right hand side, but you can practice it on either side. It's just that it's exactly the same if you do it on the left hand side. Key to bay parking is move slowly. You must look behind you before you reverse. You must use your mirrors to check where the lines are, and you must stop if there's anybody near you. Now in these videos, it's in an empty car park, there is nobody here, but you will see me looking behind a lot and using my mirrors a lot. So let's get started with where to put your car at the start of the exercise. This is an empty car park. If there were other people here, pedestrians, other road users, drivers sat in cars, I would be using a right signal about now to indicate I want to stop and then put it in reverse, show my reverse lights to reverse into a bay on my right. You should now see the red line on its own is the reference line to get into the bay that we're aiming for. Once that's there, you must look behind you. Use the door mirrors to assess this. Continue with full lock onto the right until you feel like the gap is even on the other side. Then full lock to the left. Using those mirrors to see there is a massive gap. Compare that to the left and we can't even see the line